The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does indeed have standards for installing internet service using existing wiring in both dwellings and commercial buildings. These standards are primarily covered in NEC Article 800, which addresses communication circuits, and NEC Article 840, which deals with premises wiring. When installing internet service using existing wiring, several requirements must be met to ensure safety and performance. Firstly, it's essential to use Category 5E or higher cabling. This type of cabling meets the performance requirements necessary for reliable internet transmission. Secondly, it is important to separate the internet wiring from other wiring to prevent interference and ensure reliable performance. Thirdly, surge protectors should be used to protect internet equipment from voltage spikes. Fourthly, maintain proper separation, keeping internet wiring at least 12 inches away from electrical wiring and other metal items. Fifthly, avoid using existing electrical outlets, as this can create safety hazards. Sixthly, obtain permits if required, as some municipalities may require permits for installing internet wiring. Installations are typically performed by licensed electrical contractors. These professionals are qualified to install internet wiring, including Category 5E or higher cabling, surge protectors, and other necessary components. Internet service providers, or ISP, may also offer installation services, but they often subcontract the work to electrical contractors. Power companies are not typically involved in installing internet wiring. The NEC standards for internet wiring can facilitate the integration of smart grid technologies, allowing for remote monitoring and control of electrical systems. The NEC also provides guidance for installing fiber optic cabling for internet service, which offers faster speeds and better reliability. It's important to remember that local building codes may impose additional requirements or restrictions on internet wiring installations, so it is always a good idea to consult with local authorities before starting any work.